Are you losing your chicks to sudden death and weakness? Today I'm going to show you 3 simple ingredients that can literally save your chicks' lives, and you already have them at home. That is green tea, sugar and salt. This combination works as a powerful natural booster to keep your chicks strong and healthy. Stay tuned until the end because I will show you exactly how to mix and use it. I'm Ben. I welcome you to Bernard Farms. Let's dive in. These ingredients help fight stress, dehydration and infections, which are the leading causes of chick mortality. And the best part, they are affordable and 100% natural. Let me explain each ingredient. I will start with green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and natural antibacterial properties. It helps boost the chick's immune system and fights harmful bacteria in their digestive system. So what you do is you simply boil a handful of green tea leaves or 1 to 2 tea bags in clean water for about 5 minutes and let it cool completely before use. The second ingredient is sugar. Sugar is a quick source of energy. Chicks, especially in their first week, get weak easily. A small amount of sugar in their drinking water helps restore energy levels fast. Our third ingredient is salt. Salt replaces the essential electrolytes that chicks lose when they are stressed, dehydrated, or have diarrhea. This prevents weakness and death caused by electrolyte imbalance. Now let me explain further on how to mix it. 1. Take 1 liter of clean cooled boiled water. 2. Add half a cup or 100 milliliters of cooled green tea. 3. Add a tablespoon of sugar. 4. Add a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. 5. Stir well until everything dissolves and give this mixture as the only drinking water for your chicks for 12 to 24 hours. You can repeat once a week or whenever your chicks look weak or stressed, such as after vaccination or transportation. This mixture will rehydrate your chicks, boost their immunity, and keep their energy levels up. I use this remedy. I have seen drastic reductions in chick death within the first weeks. Now you know the secret to keep your chicks alive and healthy. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe and share. Together we can raise healthier flocks. See you on the next one. Peace, love and light.